Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your archived chats in ChatGPT. If you've ever accidentally archived a conversation or just want to find an old chat again, I've got you covered. Let's get started. So here's the problem. You're using ChatGPT, and maybe you clicked on the archive icon without realizing it, or you just can't find a conversation you had earlier. The sidebar doesn't show it, and you're wondering where all your old chats went. Now I'm opening ChatGPT on my browser. I'm already logged into my account at chat.openai.com. As you can see on the left-hand side, this is where your recent chats normally show up. If you don't see a chat you're looking for, scroll down and look for the section called Archived. If it's collapsed, just click the little arrow to expand it. Here you'll find all your archived conversations. If you don't see an Archived section at all, that means you haven't archived any chats yet. But if you want to archive one for later, just hover over a conversation, click the three dots, and choose Archive. Super easy. Now let's go ahead and open one of the archived chats. I'm clicking on it, and boom, it loads just like any other conversation. You can scroll through it, copy info, or continue the chat from where you left off. If you want to unarchive a chat, just hover over it, click the three dots again, and choose Unarchive. It'll move back to your regular chat list at the top. Just remember, archiving doesn't delete anything. It's just a way to keep your sidebar clean while still keeping your past chats safe. And that's it. That's how you access and manage your archived chats on ChatGPT. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from our channel. And if you have any question or comment, drop in the comment section. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.